Economic pressures on family stability. The assault on the nuclear family is not limited to cultural influences. Economic forces also play a significant role. In many developed nations, the cost of living has risen dramatically, making it difficult for families to thrive on a single income. As a result, both parents often have to work, leaving less time for family bonding and child rearing. The economic necessity of dual-income households has shifted the focus away from the family as a cohesive unit toward a more individualistic approach to life, where economic survival often takes precedence over familial obligations. In poorer nations, the picture is even bleaker. Global economic systems and policies, often dictated by multinational corporations and international financial institutions, have contributed to widespread poverty, which further destabilizes family structures. In many cases, the pursuit of economic opportunities forces parents to migrate, leaving their children behind to be raised by extended family members or in orphanages. This phenomenon is particularly evident in regions like Latin America and Southeast Asia, where economic migration is rampant and traditional family structures are dissolving. Moreover, globalist economic policies have often led to the weakening of national industries and job markets, which further undermines the economic foundation of the nuclear family. Outsourcing and automation have decimated blue-collar jobs, traditionally held by men, contributing to the erosion of the male provider role in many families. This, in turn, has fostered a sense of disillusionment and despair, further weakening the bonds that hold families together.